Hi everyone. Today I want to share with you all how I painted my wall. First, we need supplies. For that, let's head to Home Depot. Look at these color options. I chose 3 colors for my painting. I have provided all the paint colors and supply details in the description in case any of you need them. I also bought a brush. Now let's start the project. I started by measuring the wall's width to find the midpoint and then drew an arc from the midpoint. So this is the outline for my painting. Let's begin the fun part. I sealed the edges with tape and started painting the edges with a small brush. This is what it looks like so far. Next, I used a medium brush to paint the inner area. My kid even wanted to give it a try. Why not? I let it dry overnight and this is the result. Then I drew leaves with a darker shade. But I wasn't satisfied with the color as it gave a dull overall look. So I decided to change it to a brighter shade, going for a mustard this time. Let's hope it turns out better this time.